Hi guys, Will here from WB Trading, and in today's video we'll be taking a trade over on the gold market that I've just spotted a second ago via the high time frame buy bar strategy. If you'd like to watch me do so, stay tuned. Hi guys and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free content that I share with the trading community here on YouTube. So here we are on gold. We're looking at the daily chart and I've just spotted a high time frame bias bar strategy setup which we have in front of us right now. So what I'm going to do is, as always, get the parameters for this marked so that we can get the order placed. I'm just going to do that now. Okay, so that's our entry. We want our stop below the low. Oh, there we go. Okay. And target wise, what are we looking at? We want to ideally trade back up to the previous highs. So we're going to be looking at, this is going to be 1479 spot 3 that we're trying to get back to. Now, as this is a daily chart and it's a swing strategy as ever, it can take us a few days to get there, so you might have to bear with me on this trade. In fact, let me just bring this down to the candle bodies. There we go. So we're just aiming for the previous highs, and I think we're looking for about 3R-ish here. So let's get the order placed. This is a real advantage of this strategy in that we don't have to physically trade or manage a trade or a way to set up. We actually just identify the setup as per the strategy framework. We get our order placed and we literally walk away. This is completely hands-off strategy, completely mechanical, no trade management, no adjusting the entry, the stop, the target, acting on emotion or anything like that. We just visually identify the setup, place the order, and again, we walk away. Very little work required, and more importantly, no stress or worry or anxiety or even guesses or predictions. You know, they're just not necessary. See, the thing is, two of the biggest problems faced by traders from my experience is firstly, not having a reliable trading setup, and secondly, not knowing exactly how to trade it, or even sometimes how to spot it. And these problems tend to stem from needing to use some kind of discretion, i.e. support, resistance, trend lines, lagging indicators, and just on and on. You know, maybe you've got a setup or a strategy that you use right now that involves discretion of some kind, and maybe some of what I've just mentioned, and it's leaving you needing to guess where the setup will appear next, and it's also leaving you confused and stressed and above all losing money when there's just no need to trade that way. There really isn't. With a strategy like the one we're trading here today, for example, this again being the high time frame bias bar strategy, it really is as simple as following the set of mechanical rules, placing an order, walking away. There isn't even any active trading involved either. It couldn't be much simpler. And in fact, don't listen to what I've just said. Watch me take the trade with you today. The proof really is in the pudding, so to speak. So let's get this order in. Stop at the low, target up at the high, and we're looking for 3.4R if we can get there. Give me 1 second. I'll just get this filled out and right. So let me get the lines taken off, the order back on, and there we go. So that's the order placed. Again, it's a really simple way to trade. And from here, all we need to do is hopefully get filled on the trade. That would be fantastic because if we do head straight for target, I'll be pulling the order. And if we are filled, I'll update you on that when that takes place. And we'll see where we end up. And in fact, one thing that I'm going to do today that I don't always do, but I do like to do it from time to time, is actually live tweet this trade as I'm placing the orders. So I'm just going to show you the tweet that I posted just a second ago, and this is date stamped, it's time stamped, so you can see that this was in fact tweeted out, the exact entry, the exact stop and the exact target before I'm taking this trade. And whether this wins or loses, I will obviously be updating Twitter, and I'll also still be posting this video as well. So that's that. Tweet sent, order placed. For the first part of this video recorded. I'll leave it there for now, and I'll come back to you with an update on this soon. Right guys, just back, and it's coming towards the end of Wednesday. We've been filled on the trade, which is great. And I just wanted to share a very quick update, show you how the trade's getting started. But again, from here, as the strategy is completely mechanical, there's nothing to do here whatsoever but sit on our hands and let the edge play out. So I'll give this another day or two. It might take us a while to actually get to target because it's quite far away on this trade. But I'll be back soon with an update for you. Okay guys, just back, and we're creeping towards the weekend now, and looking really good on this trade as well. So we've had this really slow grind sideways. To be honest, it looked like it could go either way, and then we've just had this big momentum move upwards, which is a really good sign that we're on the right side of the market here. But as always, there's nothing to do. There's no adjusting the stop. There's certainly no adjusting the target. So as ever, our only job here is to let patience pay us and sit on our hands and let our edge play out. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll be back with another update within 24 to 48 hours or so. Back soon. Right, just back, and we got there in the end. It's Tuesday. We've pretty much just shot straight up to targets here, which is fantastic. And I'm just putting the trade parameters back on the market here, because I know it's a little bit hard to remember where the stop, the entry and the targets actually were when they're all taken off. So we had a stop down here, 1 point below the low, and our target was, where was it? It was up at 1474 spot 7, wasn't it? Brilliant. And as you can see, we've just rolled over there a few hours ago. So that's us out with, what was it, 3.4R and just below 20 points, which is another really strong win for the strategy. So there you go. I mean, it really is as simple as that. Completely mechanical, completely rule-based, completely hands-off. There's no trade management involved in this strategy whatsoever. Again, we simply identify our setup, get our order placed and walk away. Sit on our hands and let patience pay the bills. So I hope you all enjoyed the video today. If you have, it would be great to hear from you. Please feel free to use the comment section. It would be really great if you take just a second to hit that like button as well. That would really help me if that's okay with you. I'll leave it there for today. And as always, trade with edge, with consistency, and I look forward to having you back here on the channel soon. Thanks.